Have you ever wondered what it takes to create a successful online course? The answer lies in passion. I've had inspiring conversations with phenomenal course creators, each sharing transformative lessons about digital entrepreneurship. They all share a mindset, one that values action over perfection, urging you to start creating without overthinking. These creators express pure joy in their work, often saying they do it for free, driven by love for what they teach. After hearing their journeys, I felt a stir of curiosity to dive into my own online course creation. Yet, self-doubt loomed large. What if I fail? What if no one cares about my course? Despite my fears, I knew I wanted to teach something authentic, a passion for writing that runs deep. Writing has been my companion since childhood, helping me navigate life's ups and downs through joy and pain. In my mid-20s, I launched a freelance writing business and published 2 heartfelt books, establishing my voice. The idea for my course, Your Inner Writer, sprouted as I envisioned guiding others in embracing their creative journeys. I started by brainstorming an outline, pouring my ideas onto paper, then refining them into a cohesive structure. Next, I created a simple landing page, quickly employing the drag-and-drop features without getting lost in perfectionism. Selecting an affordable course price of $29.99 allowed me to engage a wider audience and ease their purchasing worries. With my course available for pre-order, I used social media to share my vision, overcoming introverted hesitance to promote it. Finally, I pressed publish, hit celebration mode, and realized that if I can create an online course, so can you.